The 2025 Audi SQ7 takes the inherent goodness of the standard Q7 luxury SUV and ramps up the performance big time with a 500 horsepower twin-turbo V8. The stylish, well-crafted three-row interior remains, as does the handsome exterior, albeit with some subtle SQ7-specific design cues. An 8-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and an enthusiastic exhaust note help the performance cause, as does a remarkably adept blend of handling and ride comfort from the sport suspension. While the flashy two-row Audi SQ8 and the more powerful SQ8 share some of its performance character, the SQ7 seats more passengers and costs less. The SQ7 also shares the Q7's expansive 3-screen instrument panel and infotainment setup. Still, the sheer number of touchscreen inputs required to navigate many applications can be trying, and we'd prefer a few more hard controls for streamlined access to critical features. Engine, transmission, and performance. The SQ7 has a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine with 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque that it shares with the mechanically similar two-row SQ8 SUV. That sounds like a lot, and it is. This is the same engine found in the even higher performance SQ8, and it only gives up a bit of power and torque in the SQ7. Quattro all-wheel drive is standard, as is an 8-speed automatic transmission. Despite its performance potential, the SQ7 still effortlessly doubles as a family SUV, delivering a faultless ride. Handling is nothing short of heroic, considering that it's a veritable heavyweight. As we found on our test drive, it tackles curvy roads effortlessly and rarely feels unsettled. At climb times, Audi claims a 4.1 second 0 to 60 time, but the SQ7 we tested hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The quarter mile consumed 12.4 seconds, and the top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The updated SQ7 is rated at 15 milli-city, 20 highway, and 17 mpg combined, the same EPA estimates as the previous model. That's about as thirsty as you would expect for a V8-powered SUV. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test, the SQ7 nailed its rating and delivered 21 miles PG. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The SQ7's interior offers the same practical three-row layout as the Q7, but adds a few special touches, including sport seats with more aggressive bolstering and unique leather upholstery. Like the Q7, the SQ7's third row could benefit from a bit more space, and cargo room behind it is limited. Drop the third row, however, and the second row chairs and the SQ7 will likely hold the same 25 carry-on suitcases we were able to fit in the regular Q7. What's new for 2025? Cosmetic updates for the SQ7 include refreshed front and rear fascia with a reshaped grille, higher mounted headlights, and new daytime running light LED signatures. A new front spoiler and color-framed air intakes are also in place. The rear gets a new diffuser and revised tail lamps that display different light signatures and animations as you approach the vehicle. Exterior paint options now include Secure Gold, Ascari Blue, and Chili Red, and new upholstery and wood and metal trim choices are available for the interior.